Hello everyone, welcome to basic cooking classes. So today I'm going to tell you how to peel and chop an onion. So it's very easy. I'm showing you how you do it. I have seen somewhere that people don't cut this area off, and they say that if you don't cut it off you won't get onion tears. But I always cut this part first, and then when it is halfway I just put a knife and pull it like this, so the softest layer comes out. And then I peel onion using knife and hands. Now I will put that in dustbin. And then people cut this part, and then I will do it like this, and then you can cut it like this, and then you make such kind of slits. And now you try to retain its shape and cut it like this. And then I slice imperfect pieces. So for example this one. So this is how I do it. If you like this video, hit like button, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and keep coming back to my channel. Watch this video, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.